Yesterday, here's what we're waking up to this morning. As you can see on our radar, it's quiet, no clouds in the sky actually, and of course no rain on the radar either. We have temperatures in the mid-40s at the airport and calm winds and temps all across the area. Nice and chilly this morning as we start. We have a couple of 30s in spots like Bartlesville and Tahlequah. It's 39. In Tulsa, again, about 45 degrees. 44 in Muskogee this morning, and in Okmulgee, it's about 43. So again, cool start. You want the jacket, of course, for yourself, for the kids. With these chilly temperatures out there, they're definitely going to need it. And you can see across the area, temperatures are definitely cooler too from what we saw yesterday morning. Now, yesterday morning, remember the front was passing through. We still had a little bit of that moisture to push down out towards the southeast yesterday morning. And so that's why the temperature change between yesterday and today at this time is so great down in areas towards Poto, Stigler, and McAllister, because again, temps were still kind of mild as that front was moving on out. But now, again, under clear skies last night, we have very cool conditions. We have light winds too, calm in most spots. Otherwise, they're pretty light coming out of the north right now. They'll shift, and then later today and tonight they'll be coming out of the south. Now, your future tracks quiet as well. We're not expecting even any clouds in the skies we head through the afternoon hours. Temps will be getting back up into the upper 60s to low 70s, so this will be very much like what we saw for our Sunday. It's going to be very pleasant out there. It'll be kind of a chilly start, but feeling good later on today. Winds again staying light, slowly shifting from the south end this evening. This morning, have that jacket with you as you're heading out. Those temperatures will remain in the mid-40s through around 9 a.m. or so. By that midday hour, then, we're already up to about 61 degrees. So look for, again, lots of sunshine. Light winds will continue as we head through the day as well. And then this afternoon, a high of 69 is expected. So kind of chilly, at least chillier than it should be for this time of year, but very much like what we saw on Sunday. Now, going into Tuesday and the rest of the week, temps will continue to warm up. So we're going to be in the low 70s on Tuesday and then upper 70s by Wednesday through Friday. Moving in towards the weekend, then we'll see 80s with some strong winds out of the south there on Saturday. That's ahead of our next cold front, which is set to come in Saturday night moving into Sunday. And that's going to bring us another chance for some showers and storms possibly Saturday night, much like what we saw this past weekend. And then some cooler conditions for Sunday and Monday as we start next week. But overall, pretty quiet week for us ahead with those temps staying in the 70s.